guys, today we are at one of the most posh areas in Delhi and we are here to ask the rich people of Delhi what they do for living. Hello Bhaiya, what do you do for living?
अंडा है क्या लोड है?
अंडा क्या लाउड है?
But wait, now come closer to come and take me away.
Hello sir.
Hi.
Sir, which bike do you own? Hello Bhaiya.
Hi.
Which bike do you own?
I own a low rider.
So your bike, which bike do you own?
I own a Harley Davidson Road Glide.
Okay. And sir, what do you do for living?
I run a business. I'm in the business of car detailing, ceramic coats, paint protection. So it goes by the name of T&R Auto Works.
I own couple of bikes.
Okay.
This is Fat Boy.
Okay.
What I'm riding today.
This fat boy.
That's right.
Okay. And sir, what do you do for living?
I am into manufacturing of homeopathy medicine and run few clinics.
Hello sir.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good sir. How are you?
All good, all good.
Sir, which bike do you own?
I own this Harley Davidson Fat Boy.
What do you do for living?
I'm into business. So I sale and purchase used cars.
Okay.
Yes.
You live into cars basically.
Yes.
What do you do for living?
I work with the IT company, HCL.
So since when do you have this passion of riding bike?
That's just developed post-COVID. One life live it.
What do you do for living?
I work with a multinational organization.
Okay. And so the craziest ride you have done till date?
Previous would be from Delhi to Mumbai.
What do you do for living?
What I do for living, I work here. I operate a hotel. That's not in Delhi, it's in Missouri. But I am in Delhi right now under the extreme sun. Temperatures around 45-50 degrees.
But still, like something that you found challenging?
Not as of now. I believe when I went to Rishikesh once,
Okay.
or the crowd we have handled, the complete group have handled in Jaipur.
So your good name?
Karan.
Okay.
Karan Bhargava.
Nice to meet you sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Which is the craziest ride you have done till date?
Honestly, every Sunday is a crazy ride. So it's usually the overnighters that we do. We travel around Agra or Missouri, beat anywhere over the overnighter.
I mean the craziest route you have done, you have covered till date.
It has been, not me, but the other guys have done Fort Terry. So that has been the craziest one.
So since when do you have this passion of riding?
This passion has been there ever since I was probably say like 8 to 10 years old.
Since 8 or 10 years old?
Yes.
That's crazy. So the craziest ride you have done till date?
It was probably last year towards the end of August, and it was peak summers there, and I did Jodhpur Jaisalmer almost solo on my another Harley.
What other bikes do you own?
I owned this Fat Boy, and previously I used to own a Gold Wing
Okay.
and a Hayabusa.
Okay. Somebody just told that Gaurav Taneja like took a bike for his first day of college.
Yes, this was the same bike that you took.
So like, do you like give your bike to such influencers?
No, actually, Flying Beast is one of my friend's closest friend. So he's a photographer. So my photographer asked me that if you can give my bike to him. So that's why for one day he took it.
Since when do you have this passion for riding?
Almost like 4 or 5 years.
5 years. Okay. One thing you always look up to, during rides.
It's always the brotherhood, the good time that we have. It's always relaxing, so that is why we always are craving for Sunday.
Okay. So you always look up to Sundays.
Yeah, it's the one thing that we look up to.
Okay. Your name?
My name is Indrapreet.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir.
Same.
Thank you. So thank you so much. So your good name?
My name is Rohit.
Rohit. Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you so much.
pleasure. See you.
Driven around 60,000 kilometers.
60,000 kilometers. That's crazy.
That's nothing. This bike this rider has driven around 90,000 kilometers.
90,000. The craziest ride you have done till date.
We ride in a formation here. We ride in a group. We don't do any speed stunts and all. But yes, in the sense of crazy riding, but yes,
The best route?
We did Dalhousie, we did Bombay, we did Lucknow, many more.
Since my college days.
Since college days. Okay. So your good name?
My name is Aditya.
Okay. Nice to meet you, sir. Thank you. So that is it for today, guys. If you like this video, please comment down below. If this video works well, I'll bring supercars in my next video. Until then, see you.